Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this project, I built an AI-powered REST API using Django and integrated Google Gemini for text generation. This backend service act as a secure AI gateway. Now, instead of calling Gemini directly from frontend, I integrate in backend to maintain security and architecture control. Now, let's explaining my project. Eh, Uh, this is my project architecture. So first of all, that is client, which is request initiator. That means when client sent request with the prompt, a request first reach to the Django API endpoint. Then the API views validate to request and forward it to the prompt to separate service layer. This service layer responsible for communication with the Gemini SDK. Now the Gemini SDK then send a secure HTTPS request to Google Gemini server along with the API key for authentication. Then the Gemini model process the request and prompt and generate a response using its language model and send the result back to my Django backend. Now, finally, my API format the response into JSON and request to the client, and after that, client see the response according to their prompt. Now, this layer architecture ensure scalability, maintainability, and security and AI powered backend system. Now, let's move to our project which I made. And first of all, we need to start the project, that is with the command like that django-admin start project and a project name. After that, we enter the project name which I already made it, that is basic Gemini integration. So that's why I have already made it. And after that, we need one app that is separate to our chatbot. Now let's show you my apps, which is I have already made chatbot called my app name, and we include app in my settings.py. I have already mentioned the REST framework and for the API creations, and this is my chatbot app. Now after that, we need to Gemini API key, and I have already in this environment integrate my Gemini API key. You can also generate from your Google AI Studio. Suppose Google AI Studio login, and when we click on the Google AI Studio, then after then login, you can get that is API get API key. And when you click the get API key, which I have already made it, and you can copy from the here, and after that you copy this, then you put it like that in your dot environment file, so like that in your API key. Okay, and now after that we need to install that is package which is pip install Google generative AI, and also we need for the API which is pip install Django REST framework. This, let me show you to install both, and you can see I have already installed in my system, so that's why this give me the requirement already satisfied. And after when I click to pip install Django REST framework, the same way the requirement already satisfied. That means I have already completed the full setups here. So let's clear it, and now I'll show my URL, that is Gemini API as view. And in this Gemini API view, I have made a function which is post self and request prompt request.data.get using the prompt, and If not prompt, prompt is required, which is when you can see here prompt. If I remove that, after that when we click say, to the send button, then this give me the error which is prompt is required. Now result in the generate text, which is generate text, I made a function inside the my service, which is Gemini service.py. In this Gemini I imported the Google from the Google generative AI as the Geni. From Django I have I have import settings for the API key, which is I have already in our settings.py, and settings.py Gemini API key takes from the .env file. After that, generating response and return that response. Let me show you how to generate response is working here. So first of all, we start the server python manage.py runs server, and now my server is getting ready here, and let's see what will happen when we go for the. And now I read a prompt like that, what is Django here, and send it. Then after that it will take some times, and because of client sending the request and Django API, that is request is handling, and after that send it to the service layer, and service layer connected to externally with the Gemini SDK, that is Gemini software development kit. And after that Gemini SDK sent it to the forward to Google service, and after that here our API key matching and authenticate. Then after send response the result, and let me show you what is response coming. You can see here in my command prompt here is 200, that means it is okay. Response is already came here. Now you can see here Django is the high level open source web framework written in Python. It is designed to help developer build secure scalable maintenance and all the things about the Django. So that is my a chatbot which I made using the API from the backend. So instead of calling direct from the backend, direct from the Google Gemini, I can call from the backend here. So this is my API endpoint, which is localhost colon 8000 /API /Gemini /. And how do I generate it from the? You can see here in the URL I have mentioned the path API /. After that it goes to the URL into the app URL and Gemini /, and after that Gemini views, and Gemini app. When Gemini is processed, then go for the result, and result generate the response. So this is the my full basic Gemini chatbot I integrated with the help of API key with the Google Gemini. So you can also made a basic project with the Google Gemini from the backend calling prompt with the response generate. So thank you.